Going easy, you know. But every farmer have to do a bit of plowing and watering. So differently. What go on over, sir?
No, you know, brother. Not to go over there, you know. I hear me tell them I'm done with them lifestyle. Plus, brother-in-law said I'm not forward back for the side. Not time.
Yes, sir. So wait, brother-in-law reach now. And him good.
Yeah, man. As long as me love the badness on the ground.
Well, the best advice that me think him give, brother.
Yeah, man. One more thing. Color load them look ready. You know, I'm not going to want a bunker. If you eat with some fried dumpling, man. How much a bunker?
What you talk about? Come in.
Old MacDonald had a farm, yeah. But wait, how them here? They just pet. How that? Old MacDonald.
Oh, then you with that recloud.
Yeah, man. I am that, man. A gimmicks, man, you know.
Yeah, they finally come see farm.
Yeah.
Them not have to come see it, man. You're not dealing.
Yeah.
Family tree and farming. You have to come both, man. We have to come see what going on, you know?
That is it.
You know the crime.
Yeah, man. Right now, this today I do right now, brother. Left over, sir, right now. That's it.
Boy, brother, I want to tell you something. Not even too over the night, you know. But you don't know a thing come down, man. A big security, you know.
You mean gunless security? Tell him on the show, brother, man. You see me? Batman. Bat name having a butcher.
Brother, no do me that, man. And that you tell me if you left me 9 inch if you come do. If you mock me out. A joke thing you depend, man. But you tell me something different it make, man. How you deal?
I just hope you never carry a gun go back on the people them work, yeah? That me I tell you.
Vicious. That you really do. Bring a gun go for the people and hurt, brother.
What you say? What you mean? Remember say me have to reach back on my yard when you walk down, you know? Brother, me I tell you, you know? Nah, left it.
Brother, that go 3 minutes, you know.
Yeah, man. I say him stubborn, man. So charge you. Did make a link come and tell you if you make.
You know, say in a month when him a plan to bring food to get ranky, him a plan to make him move to.
That's Yo, we need to find a way to stop the youth, brother.
Judge, so how we are going to deal with this now? Because I'm not to want to get involved in that sitting here, you know.
Yo, I'm your brother and like you, brother. I carry brother, you know. Vicious, what do you think you should do this?
Brother, I feel like we forget somebody to talk to him still, you know. Because you see if him make them move because me I tell you, it's a job back all the way in this, you know, cause it's a job back all the way in it, you know, brother. All out war, you know.
Isn't this a beautiful look?
King, man. Wait, you turn Rasta now.
Emperor highly high. You don't know.
King, man.
You.
Brother, we're glad to know you.
Yeah, man, we're glad to see
One
you,
king.
man.
Long live the king.
That is it, my fam.
Vicious.
Really not, yeah. You see, pray.
Yeah.
Alright, me elder, man. Glad to
Yeah,
see so you're
man.
active, you know.
What you say, man?
Alright, yeah, man.
Fret not the eye themselves of evildoers. Because you know what? 1,000 shall fall at my side, and 10,000 at my right hand. But them can't hold me out.
Never.
Them they sitting there me a talk about. And them thing they you call all time badness. Spanglers. Brawling.
So, King, man, how you finally?
You mean the fact that you are now a farmer of some note, and my friend Hitmaker is now a illustrious craftsman? You know what I mean? And not to mention Vicious, top rate security officer.
Me I tell you. It maker, you know, see what I go on. Top rated security. And that you have to tell people about. Do it, man. Tell people say they are top rated, man.
With the button.
Brother.
So King, anybody hear that part there?
Brother, yeah.
Don't worry, Vicious. I have faith in your skills, and you will soon get up to par.
Tell him.
Ah,
Tell him.
but watch your style. And another note, you know, say I kind of very, very concerned, brother, because I can't understand why I can't get stolen for them phone. Ever since my little incident, I have been calling. The lady at Barbados been calling. Other people been calling. No stone. Walk on, Bridget. That don't look right. Where him up to, brother?
Elder, me I go tell you what I go on. Say no say stone.
Ready, babes?
Yeah, I'm ready. But I owe him.